We have a 427 Windsor. This customer chose to go with the March alternator only kit. Dual sync distributor, sniper on here. Runs that awesome. And if you have any questions about any of our packages, we got some pretty good powerhouse Windsors. Just like we got some good powerhouse Godzillas for you Ford guys out there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, 1-800-267-3940.
Fires right up, goes up on a little RPM. Now come down to our targeted idle. Good oil pressure, air fuels are perfect. Very nice. A little damp weather here this morning, but it runs beautiful.